Hello, ambitious English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today, we're going to talk about a goal that lives in the minds of millions: the desire to be rich, to achieve financial freedom, to live life on your own terms. We often hear about the things we should do: invest, save, start a business. But what about the invisible barriers, the silent saboteurs that keep people forever running on the treadmill of almost there? True wealth is not just built by what you start doing. It's protected by what you consciously stop doing. So today, we are flipping the script. Here are the 7 critical things you must avoid if you want to build real, lasting wealth. Number 1. Avoid the lottery mindset. This is the most seductive trap. The lottery mindset is the belief that wealth comes from a single, lucky, outside-evented jackpot. A viral video, a speculative cryptocurrency moonshot. It focuses on the picture of wealth: the luxury car, the mansion, without any interest in the process of building it. This mindset makes you a passive spectator of your own financial life, always waiting for rescue. It distracts you from the powerful, proven truth: wealth is almost always the slow, steady result of consistent value creation, smart choices, and compound growth over time. Avoid waiting for a miracle. Choose instead to become a builder. Number 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer of financial potential. It happens every time you get a raise, a bonus, or any increase in income, and you immediately increase your spending to match it. A bigger apartment, a newer car, more expensive clothes. Your lifestyle expands to consume every dollar you earn, leaving you no closer to actual wealth, just with more expensive habits. The rich understand this. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how wisely you put it to work. To build wealth, you must break the link between your income and your spending. When you earn more, you must first increase your savings and investments, not your standard of living. Number 3. Avoiding investing due to fear or not knowing enough. Many people keep all their money in a bank account, watching inflation slowly eat its value, because they are afraid of the stock market or feel they don't understand it. This is like refusing to learn to swim and choosing to slowly sink instead. The path to wealth requires your money to grow, and a savings account cannot do that. You must overcome this avoidance. Start small, learn the basics, understand low-cost index funds. The goal is not to become a stock-picking genius overnight, but to avoid the catastrophic mistake of letting fear keep your money stagnant for decades. Number 4. Avoid bad debt like a disease. Not all debt is bad. Debt for a productive asset like education that increases your income, or a mortgage for a reasonable home, can be a tool. But you must avoid consumptive bad debt. This is debt used to buy things that lose value immediately and provide no return. Luxury goods on a credit card, expensive vacations you can't afford, a car loan that is 50% of your income. This debt has high interest, enslaves your future income to pay for your past pleasures, and is the absolute enemy of wealth accumulation. If you want to be rich, you must see bad debt as a financial emergency to be eliminated. Number 5. Avoid the company of chronic pessimists and spenders. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you are constantly surrounded by people who mock investing, who believe rich people are evil, who pressure you to spend money you don't have to keep up with them, you will find it almost impossible to build wealth. Their mindset will become your own. You must consciously avoid or limit your exposure to energy and influence that pull you away from your goals. Seek out people who are curious about growth, who discuss ideas and opportunities, not just gossip and purchases. Number 6. Avoid trading time for money as your only strategy. This is the core difference between the middle class and the wealthy mindset. If your only plan to make money is to exchange hours of your life for a salary, you have built a hard ceiling on your income. There are only so many hours in a day. The wealthy focus on building systems, assets, and capital that generate income independently of their time. A business that can run without them. Investments that pay dividends. Intellectual property like a book or an online course. Avoid relying solely on your active labor. Start building assets on the side, no matter how small. Number 7. Avoid neglecting your most valuable asset, yourself. Ultimately, your ability to create wealth stems from your mind, your skills, and your health. If you avoid investing in yourself in continuous learning, in acquiring high-value skills like advanced English for global opportunities, in maintaining your physical and mental energy, you are sabotaging your own engine. You cannot outearn a low skill set. You cannot build an empire with a tired, unfocused mind. The most important investment you will ever make is in your own capacity. Avoid the illusion that saving money is more important than making yourself more valuable. Building wealth is not a mystery. It is a natural consequence of avoiding these 7 destructive traps and consistently applying the fundamentals. Spend less than you earn, invest the difference wisely, and continuously increase your value to the world. For you, as an English learner, you are already working on the 7th point: investing in yourself. You are increasing your value in the global marketplace. Combine that skill with the financial discipline to avoid these traps. And you are not just dreaming of wealth. You are engineering it. The road to riches is less about a spectacular sprint and more about skillfully avoiding the potholes that flatten everyone else's tires. If this clear-eyed look at the barriers to wealth resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks for more insights that build your mind and your opportunities. Hit the like button if you are committed to avoiding these traps. And tell me in the comments which one you think is the most dangerous. Remember, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.